up guys, this is VoiceRobot66 aka CSIMC, and today I'm here for calculus science video, and today I'll be showing you a brand new trick. So basically, you do this. After you do that, after that you do 337722, 337722, 337722, 337722, 337722, 337722, 337722, 337722 until the end. So I'll see you later. Okay, now we're at the end. As you can see, we can't place any more numbers. So anyway, after that you remove one set of the 337722. Oops, accidentally removed another one. Then after that you add a 7 over there. After that, you see, now we press equals, and this is what you get. Yeah, it's removed slightly afterward, but well, it was there. So that's all I have for this video. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you.